What's up, y'all? StevieJ here, Beyond the Details. I have another unboxing slash first impressions on a product here. This is the JBL Boombox 2. The Boombox 3 is coming out this summer, but I wanted to go ahead and pick this up to give you guys my first impressions. And yeah, we're going to go from there. I normally have two Charge 5s that I pair together. I want to get a little bit louder, and then when I want to go above that, I actually have two JBL 110s that I put in TWS. But I want to get something like this that's obviously portal, where I can, when we go to the park with my kids to throw the football, or when I go on vacation, something that I can legitimately bring and not, it's hard for me to bring a 110 with me when we go to Orlando, or we go wherever we go, Tampa, San Antonio, since we just moved to Houston. No matter what, this is something that I can, carry with me, put in the trunk, cover up with like a towel or something so it doesn't get scratched. But, just want to give my first impressions on the size. We're going to do a comparison in size between this and the Charge 5, and we're going to go from there. Hope you guys enjoy. All right, y'all, let's get to it. There's going to be two pieces of tape that you have to take off, which is one's here. And the other one is here. Looks like if you got bought JBL speakers before, the unboxing is pretty much universal with the experience. All right, so at the bottom, put this to the side. So at the bottom, what do we have in here? It's a weird box. Weird how they did this. So here is just your booklet that says Charge 5 on it. Odd. Very odd that it says Charge 5. Very odd that it says Charge 5 on the paperwork. And I thought it might have been an advertisement, but no, it says Charge 5. You get your JBL brick with the power cable that you're just going to stick into here. Pretty self-explanatory. Put this to the side, and let's get the speaker. I'm going to open this baby up. And this is the JBL Boombox 2. What are my first impressions on this? Yes. It's kind of heavy. It's not like, oh my God, I'm going to die lifting it, but I love things that feel hefty. Makes me feel like I'm getting something for my money. Okay, nothing really to see here on here. Just like all the JBL speakers, you have your power Bluetooth. If you want to pair more than one to it, up volume, down volume, and then you have a track stop or go. This is also a charging bank. I'm not sure what the milliamp of the battery is. It's somewhere between 10,000 and 15,000 if I remember correctly, but okay, so there is no USB-C connection, so you would use a USB-A and it'll be able to charge whatever from that. You do have an area, this is where you put the battery to charge. This is a servicing cable, and I'm assuming that's where you'll be able to hook up. This is just a regular USB, micro USB, if I would It is a regular micro USB. You'll be able to connect this here to your computer, I'm assuming, in order to update it to the latest firmware. And then you have something here which looks like an auxiliary cable. This is water resistant, so you'll be able to take this outside, which is one of the other reasons why I got it over. And even though I have two Partyboxes 110s already, so I could take this outside and whatnot. And just look at the difference in size. This is a Charge 5 Boombox. I mean, it's like I could put two of these and then have tape 4, like 2 and then 2 on the bottom, and it still won't be as large as this. Let me go ahead and get my full 3, and that's what we're going to pair this to, because I already have my S22 Ultra paired with my Partyboxes. So we're going to turn this on, see if it has any juice, and it does. Should be relatively quick to pair. There it is. And it's that simple. Even your grandparents could do it. And then we'll go and play. All right, I don't want to get a copyright strike, so we're going to stop right there. Yeah, that was at a half volume, and it sounded close to what this sounds at max volume. Not as, maybe what this sounds at 90% volume. So yeah, very happy with this purchase. I'm a JBL fanatic. Now I have 2 Charge 5s, I have the Boombox 2, and I have 2 110s. Very happy with my purchase. My next purchase will probably be either a JBL 700 or 1000, but I'm gonna hold off a little bit. I have enough speakers. Like, I can't even use them all. I'm just buying speakers. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Very short video. Stay blessed.